Hey guys, good morning. It's me, Lemel from ADHD Aquatics. My husband said he's in the mood to go for a hike today. So that means we get to go out to the wild and collect sticks and leaves and rocks and sand and stuff. Right, babe? What happened? Remote start turned off?
Yeah.
Oh, sad.
He was feeding the fish room for too long and the car said I'm done with it.
Yeah, and so we got our buckets. Empty buckets! Breens and brews, breens and brews, breens and brews. I forget what we get from here.
Get a fucking frozen Miss Cleo.
Oh my god, do not say the F word.
You remember Miss Cleo? You don't never watch Mad TV, did you?
I did when I was a child.
Mrs. Cleo. You see that? Frozen caramel Cleo.
That's CeeLo.
Whatever.
Is that what you want?
No.
You want iced caramel CeeLo?
No, I want a B&B Frappy. I want a large crappy Frappy.
Where's right here B&B Frap?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty. What do I get? I get a caramel Frappy.
I don't know what you get. I get different stuff every time I go.
What's a B&B Frappy?
Beans and brews Frap.
Okay, you can choose caramel cream.
Yeah.
Which one do you want?
A large caramel cream B&B Frappy with espresso added.
Okay, I think that we're ready now. Can we have 2 large B&B Fraps, caramel cream with a shot of espresso added? Yeah, I think just 1 shot's good.
How many does it come with? I want 1 extra shot.
Does it come with a shot of espresso? Okay, we want 1 extra shot. So if it comes with 3, then we want 4. Yes, please. Yes, could we have some whipped cream? And yeah, could we have a turkey Swiss and avocado, or no, turkey Swiss pesto panini and a ham and cheddar croissant sandwich? What about the croissants? What about the croissants? Okay, then we'll have a bacon, egg, and cheddar one, and then a turkey Swiss avocado one. No, just the 2. Just the bacon, egg, and then the turkey Swiss. I think that's it. Okay, thank you. Can you give me some money?
Yeah, fortunately, I didn't remember my wallet. Here you go.
Thanks, babe.
Well, I even looked at it and I was like, I probably won't need this.
Your wallet?
And then I grabbed it anyway. Yeah, my wallet.
You always need your wallet.
No, I don't.
Never
I have
leave
a wife
the house.
that makes more money than me.
What should I put?
The Tin Man.
I don't know what that means.
What, are you tipping beans and brews right now?
Yeah, they're beans and brews. Thank you.
You know what I put on the tip line when places like this give me tip lines? I put another line on it.
Thank you. Well, that's not nice. Beans and Brews is nice. It's almost time. You ready? Oh yeah, a big one.
Wow.
Hold on, don't drink it yet. We have to cheers. Thank you.
That is
Oh wait,
much,
we need our sandwiches too.
Yeah, that is much larger than I was expecting. They make Starbucks look like smalls.
How much did we pay for that one?
I don't know. Including the tip, I think it was like 15-20 bucks.
Cheers. Cheers, we're going to the wild to collect wild sticks and wild rocks and wild sand and maybe
This
fish.
is like $10 millennial coffees. Oh yes, very good.
God, 4 shots. I'm gonna start coming here from now on. Thank you. You too. Where are we going, babe? Do you remember this one? You remember?
Yeah. We came here at night to play Pokemon before.
Yeah.
What? Why is my phone like playing action movies?
I don't know, but I'm trying to film a nice scenic drive.
Every time I lock my
pond.
phone, it's playing action movies, but there's nothing open.
Close all your apps.
I did.
Well, completely ruined it.
That guy's got a corgi.
Yes. Your phone never does that. The one time I'm trying to film a nice drive through the pond, it does it.
Man, if only we had a dog.
And
We could take our dog walking.
we can get a dog.
No, we can't. We're already stocked on animals.
These aren't ducks, these are gooses. Oh yeah, and ducks.
There's lots of babies. They're gonna attack us.
No, babies are in springtime. You see my bucket? You see goose? I wish I had like a little shovel because there's little pebbles and stuff right here. I don't have a shovel.
We have a shovel in the garage.
Should we go get one?
I mean, if you think you need a shovel, we only live a few minutes away.
There's cute little pebbles. Look. Look at how cute the little pebbles are. Little pea gravels, so cute. But that's cold. That's cold. How are ducks and goose in that cold?
Their feathers keep them warm. I gotta
I don't know,
pause.
right?
You did it. Yeah?
Did we scare all of them?
Yeah, they're all...
The bucket. I think the bucket sound scared them. I kind of just want the stuff right on top.
That's where all the goose poop is.
Yeah. I don't know, should I rinse it?
I don't know what your goal is here. I just know we're getting pond stuff. And we came to a goose flock to do it, so it's gonna be full of goose poop.
Father Fish said it would be very nutritious. and so that
Well,
I should cap it with sand. I
I
kind of like the pebbles, so I'm gonna have to rinse it if I want to use it raw without capping it with sand. Or I'm gonna just have to put it in there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to rinse it basically. I'm basically just gonna have to rinse it.
well then doesn't it get rid of the point?
Well, it would just be too much nutrition. Like, it's just gonna be too powerful. Like, I can put plants in it, but it'll be a long time before the plants eat all of it. It'll just be a big ammonia thing. Oh, look over here's good rocks too. It would just be too powerful. You know?
I don't know. No, I don't.
It has so much duck poop, like you were saying, right?
I
It's
get-
very strong organics. It's very strong, like, fertilizers. And so it will make ammonia, which hurts the fish. So if I set it up, I might not be able to put fish in it for a while, but I could put plants. Or if I wanted to put fish in it right away, I could put this stuff in the bottom and then cap it with like 2 inches of just regular sand. Dave, where are you going? You have to record me still. Or, so I could just cap it with 2 inches of regular sand so that all of the nutrients stays down in the bottom for the plant roots and not up in the water column hurting the fish. You listening to me? Babe, you have to look at the phone. Look at
Sorry,
the phone
there was a
and
goose.
film me.
There's a goose over there freaking out.
I know, but you're just holding the phone up and I'm walking around and you're not following me. You have to look at the phone. I know we both have ADHD. What do you think that goose was saying?
I think a dog got close to it or something. The guy walked over there with a dog, and then I heard the goose freak out.
Yeah. Do you think you'll be able to carry this big heavy bucket of salmon routes?
That's what I'm here for.
Look at this one. Look at this one. That one's cute, right? I like that one. But yeah, anyway, do you get what I'm saying about how it's too strong?
Yeah.
Yeah. I tried to get most of the water out of it before I put it in here. Okay.
Is that enough? About 3 gallons-ish of dirt and rocks?
I can't do any more. It's probably gonna, excuse me, be too heavy, huh?
Okay.
Yeah, film the rest of the pond. What are duckies saying and goose?
I don't know.
Okay, you ready to go to the next spot?
There's a next spot?
Yeah, I want to go to the rock store or something, or Rusty's Reefs or something.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let's see that.
You're doing a good job.